Manoj, shall we begin?
Yes, ma'am.
Namaskar and good afternoon to one and all. The purpose of this webinar is to discuss the problem statements in detail. Problem statements of smart city challenge and outcome for urban transformation. It's a pan-India hackathon which is launched by Electropreneur Park Bhubaneswar. Electropreneur Park is an ESDM incubation center which has been set up by STPI with the support from Ministry of Electronics and IT, Government of India, and Department of Electronics and IT, Government of Odisha. It's their initiative to create a network of centers of excellences in various domains. And Electropreneur Park Bhubaneswar is equipped with state-of-the-art advanced lab, plug-and-play facilities for incubation in this UE. We are majorly focused in accelerating innovation, enabling industry-oriented research and development of the talent in the ESDM during prototyping, development, commercialization of the products produced for India and other growth markets as well. So the basic idea of this hackathon is to find out alternative ways or solutions to the predefined problem statements. These problem statements these problem statements are from our partners who are actually working in these smart cities in the areas and in the focus areas like wastewater, like we have major focus areas. So I'll just straight come to that. Like I said, there's a pan-India contest and the winning POC solutions will get implemented in real life. They'll get all the mentoring support, hand-holding, all the components, technical support. We have our ecosystem partners, ExcelPoint, ISA, IIIT Bhubaneswar, and Startup Odisha. And our technology and implementing partners are Analog Devices, L&T SmartWorks, Xilinx, Zeliot, Microchip, Bhubaneswar Smart City Limited, Ashoka Buildcon, Shapoorji Pallonji, IVF, Van Infra, Innovative, Singapore IoT Consortium, and CSM. So this is how it has been. Our focus areas include waste management, healthcare solutions for urban healthcare, advanced transport management solutions, citizen services, industrial and building automation, security and surveillance, environment and pollution monitoring solutions, energy management and conservation system. And these are some of the problem statements that has been defined in a more elaborative way. We have uploaded this in our YouTube channels also. You may please visit that to know in detail. Some of the problem statements which we have in front of us include this criminal identification systems, where we are modernizing criminal identification, tracking and verification by police. Then we have advancement in toll collection. We are looking for some solutions that will address the challenges in energy management, smart lighting, water management, intelligent parking. Then for remote health diagnostics and treatment, real-time monitoring and measuring of health parameters and early detection, which will eventually lead to early detection and prevention of occupational diseases. Then real-time drain, manholes, and sewage monitoring systems, sewage management systems that would include route tracking, segregation, handling, and processing of waste, which would include e-waste as well. And we are also looking at solutions to monitor and maintain the water quality parameters. Then we have disaster management. We are looking for solutions in disaster management that would be for early prediction, damage control, and minimization of post-disaster impacts. Energy analytics for smart cities that includes intelligent fault detection, smart distribution, and monitoring of various utilities. Real-time monitoring, fault and failure prediction of smart city infrastructures and assets, then smart poles for smart city. The eligibility is not limited to anything. We have kept it open for working professionals, students, innovators, educators, and researchers, startup companies, and enthusiasts. This is the timeline. We began on February 10, 2021, the last date being tomorrow, that is March 10th. We have a series of events that has been planned, like the webinars that we are conducting right now. Post receiving the applications, we are going to shortlist and finalize on the best applications received against these challenges. Take it further in helping them develop the POC, and then finally implementing it. Takeaways will include real-time implementation of these POCs selected in the hackathon, giving them a platform to showcase as well. Knowledge dissemination, we provide assistance in availing the tools and technologies, virtual mentoring by industry professionals, component requirement, offering incubation Park Bhubaneswar or Electropreneur Park Delhi to the winners, awards and recognitions. So this is where we can apply. We can apply the application portal mentioned, innovate.stpinext.in. And to know more about it, please visit the website bbs.electropreneur. Wherever the fields that you don't feel relevant, please write NA not applicable and leave it. It is not mandatory to fill up all the application, all the fields in the application, not mandatory. So only fields you feel that are relevant to you, kindly fill that up. Then you can scan the QR code, and for any support, please feel free to call up the numbers that is mentioned there. So start applying. We have very few time, less time for this, and that is all. Getting a lot of disturbances. Smaran, can you please mute it? So, like we have with us Mr. Ganesh Upadhyay, who is currently the Vice President at Zeliot and spearheading the sales and marketing activities. He comes with a total of 17 years of experience with over 7 years of automotive and connected mobility industry experience. He has worked in Zuga, Toyota, and Tata Motors in various capacities, handling connected mobility solutions and automobile dealer management. He's an enthusiastic sales professional with deep interest in connected vehicles platform solutions and applications. To all the participants, I would like to tell you that the problem statements that we are dealing today, we will be discussing in detail is efficient waste management, which is a major challenge in the smart city, and with very less for error. So it is very challenging for different sizes of vehicles to efficiently cover all these type of households, residential complexes, commercial complexes, business parks, and without missing any points and reaching the destination at the desired time. The desired solution will be discussed in detail by Mr. Ganesha. We are looking at the development of waste management solutions, which includes collection, route and frequency optimization, handling, segregation, and processing of the waste. Over to you, Mr. Ganesha. Thank you for your presence today.
Okay, thank you, Lopa ma'am. Thanks for the introduction and the background. You can hear me and see the screen?
Yes, absolutely. Very much audible and very.
Okay, thank you very much. So let me start off. So I would like to thank Electropreneur Park and SBI for giving us this opportunity to be part of this hackathon Scout 2021. It is really a privilege for a company like us to be associated with Scout and this hackathon event. Zeliot, to give a background, basically is a 100% subsidiary of iTriangle Infotech Private Limited, which is India's #1 GPS hardware manufacturer with over 450,000 GPS tracking devices installed across India and a few abroad. So iTriangle and Zeliot together, we service a lot of customers in different segments like the government, PSUs, transport and logistics, and automobile OEMs. And few of our esteemed customers are Andhra Pradesh Mining, Odisha Mining, Jharkhand Mining, and Indian Oil Corporation. And in automobile manufacturers, we serve customers like Ashok Leyland, Mahindra and Mahindra, Volvo, JBM, and Electra, a few of our customers in this sector. So with that introduction to iTriangle and Zeliot, I would like to come to our today's discussion. Basically, we are discussing about advanced fleet management solution for efficient waste management. So in this, as mentioned by Lopa ma'am earlier, the problem statement is basically efficient waste management is becoming a major challenge in the smart city solution sector, with very less room for error, because there are a lot of with the expanding horizon of the cities and the residential complexes and techno parks. So it is becoming a huge challenge for the municipalities to collect the waste at the without missing any of the pickup points and ensuring that there is zero error in this. And the objective of this part of the solution, what we are looking at, is basically scheduling of the vehicles based on the type and size of vehicles and the different roads in the city. So there can be narrow residential complexes or residential layouts to a larger techno parks where there can be larger vehicles can go. So the solution should plan in such a way that the scheduling is done as per the vehicle type and size and the road sizes in the city. And then route and trip planning and route and trip optimization. These are like two interdependent components. So the solution should include planning and optimization of the different routes and the trips based on the resource available, and optimizing the fleet resource so that at lesser time the available vehicles can be turned around so that the cost is also reduced and increase the fleet efficiency, and ensuring the 100% of daily collection of the waste from all the locations. Hello. Is there any query?
No, sir, please go.
Yeah. So basically ensuring 100% daily collection and zero missed pickups from any location. So for that, actually, the expected solution, what we are looking at, are a web app for the controller at the control center of the solid waste management center, and mobile app for the supervisor who is in charge of that particular area, and then mobile app for the enterprise customers to track the vehicle and acknowledge the pickup. So in this web app, what we are looking at is basically the scheduling of trips for different vehicles and monitoring and tracking of the vehicles, and downloading of the reports for those particular vehicles on for any particular time. Like it can be a day's report or weekly report or monthly report. So based on which it can be actually integrated with other billing and billing system to the vendors, and it can be efficiently billed without any bias for a particular vendor. So it clearly goes with the substantial support in terms of the kilometerage a particular vehicle is done. So the payment calculation is also done to the vendors based on the trips, and there can be a penalty for missed pickups or missed trips based on the scheduling. And then we are looking at mobile or web application for the supervisor who can, for maybe a particular ward or particular layout or something like that, depending on the municipal division, so that he can track the vehicles on real time to ensure that it is going as per plan, and he can monitor the progress of the collection. And then mobile app for the enterprise customer to track the vehicles and acknowledge the pickup. For example, if the scheduling is done by the controller at the control center, the message should go to a particular enterprise customer, like it can be an apartment manager or a tech park facility head or say large enterprise or company facility head. So they can have an app so that they will know when the pickup vehicle will come and they have to be ready. So as soon as the pickup is done, there should be an acknowledgement from them so that the pickup is completed and there are no misses. From the controller or supervisor point of view, the points to be covered are basically to provision to create routes for all the vehicle and optimizing the trips and routes with available resources, that is number of vehicles and number of people. So based on that, optimizing the trips and the routes, and then optimizing the resources for reducing the cost. It is also one of the major challenge because this contributes to almost 30% of the total cost in waste management. And creating activity for ensuring that all the waste pickups points are covered, like there are no missed pickups, so that there are no complaints from the particular apartment complex or residential residences or maybe tech parks also. And there has to be alert and notification as and when the scheduled pickup is done to the controller. and alerts and notification if a missed pickup is there at a scheduled time. If something has to be picked up and if it is missed, then the alert should go to the controller. So this can be a controller web application and supervisor's mobile application. These features can be covered. And in terms of enterprise customer app, what they can cover is tracking the vehicle with the expected time of arrival, which we call ETA, so that he knows that when the vehicle is going to come, and alert he gets an notification when the vehicle is maybe a few meters away or a few minutes away, so that he can get his people ready to load the waste, and alert when it arrives at the location. It is similar to Ola and Uber, if you might have experienced a similar use case, and then acknowledging once the pickup is done. So there should be a mechanism where he can send an acknowledgement to the controller or the supervisor that his particular waste pickup is done. He can be an apartment manager, or he can be a tech park facility head, or somebody like that, and sending an alert and notification if the pickup is not done at the scheduled time. So we are trying to cover these aspects basically in the solution. So keeping these things in mind, we want the application to be built for transport management or fleet management solution for the waste management. So these are the few ideas which we are giving, overview. So based on the research, the candidates can do their own, research in terms of what all other parameters to be covered, so that this application can be done more efficient, and it can be very attractive for the municipals or the smart cities application, and they can implement the solution at a wider network, maybe in different cities and different states. So this is what we are looking at. So that's what I would like to say. So with this overview, they can keep these things in mind and build the solution. So if you have any queries, you can go ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Upadhyay. So what we will do is we are going to post this on all the online platforms.
Okay.
And in case we have any queries, we'll send it to you. And
Sure.
yes, so that is how it is.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Do
you,
we have
everyone.
any questions, Smaran, or we are good to close?
No, as of now, we don't have any questions, but I will request all the audience who are present here, if any questions or inquiries is there, please feel free to ask.
Do you have any plan to extend the last date?
You may send in a mail to the mail ID, and we will see how we can take it up.
Okay. Second thing is, what about other problem statements? What are you exactly looking at? Will you be giving any seminar about webinar about that also?
Oh yes, we already had conducted many webinars. Even the detail of the problem statements and everything you can find on our website, bbs.electropreneurpark.in.
Okay.
Kindly visit, and if you can send your email ID and phone number, Mr. Smaran or from someone from Electropreneur Park Bhubaneswar will get in touch with you.
Okay.
I'm providing all the details in the chat box here, so that you can follow it up.
Okay.
You can please check in the chat box, and if also you have any other question, please feel free to call us or email us.
Okay. All right.
You can just leave your number. My team will get back to you on this.
Number in the chat box?
Yes, it's in the chat box.
Okay.
9439434910 and 94383 Is there anything else, or we can close the session today? Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everybody.
I see Mr. Dipti has also joined. Mr. Dipti is into GIS route tracking and all. Dipti, if you have any question, you can please put your questions to Mr. Upadhyay and he'll be happy to.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Mr. Dipti. Yes, if you have any queries regarding this problem statement, you may please put your questions to Mr. Upadhyay and we'll be happy to answer it.
Ma'am, actually,
his voice is actually breaking. Not able to
Yes,
hear actually.
yes,
He can maybe chat and put his question in the chat box.
Mr. Dipti, if you can hear us, you may please type your question and then we can answer. I think there's some connectivity issue. No problem, Mr. Upadhyay. What I'll do is he had.
I can take the query and mail it to me.
Yes.
So that
yes. That would help. Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. Thanks everybody.
Thank you so much for your time today.
Yeah.
Thank you everyone for joining.
Good day.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thank you all.